I'm so amazed, guys, of my yard. They grow like crazy, the mushroom in circle. 24 years in, I start growing the mushroom in my yard. Is so big and so beautiful. And it's in circle. Look at it. I'm blessed. I'm blessed. I'm blessed. Look at that, guys. See? It's so fresh. But I don't know how to cook it. This in circle is so pretty, so big. And it's a lot. Look at that, everyone. They're so big. See? It's bigger than my hand. Wow.